Hello and welcome back to another very special episode about the Philips CD555 Sound Machine from 1986. This time we are going to unbox a brand new item, a leftover from an old warehouse. I was searching for such an item for decades, and when it finally showed up, I have been too slow and someone else was faster. Well, that's life. Means this is not my sound machine. But however, as almost every CD555 that got sold during the last 2 years, it made its way onto my desk for a complete service. This time it will also be something different for me because it does not need to get repaired, because it was never used before and also not to be cleaned. I assume this time I will, or let's say, I hope I will not find any dead insects inside as I did the last time. I haven't looked into the package right now, so let's do this together and have a look what's inside. Well, the user manual is the only document that was inside. The warranty sheet and other documents are missing. Means this item is not a leftover from a warehouse, but considering its smell of old mothballs, it might be a very rarely used device from a person that recently passed away. You should be happy that such things like smelling videos got not invented right now. Considering the strange smell of mothballs, I reckon this device is from an eviction. The screw to lock the CD player is missing. Clearly the item got used before, but it has no signs of usage at all. Summary: It is in an absolutely fantastic condition. No scratches at all. And no dust, of course. Okay, let's start the retest if everything is working. Listen closely to the singing CDM2 drive. The CD player is working fine. Now let's check the cassette. Now it should have been forwarded to the next track, but that was not working. Well, a usual issue of the tape mechanism that ends in a tape jam and a destroyed cassette. Seems it is working, but I need to check the real gear. It's the first thing that falls apart and needs to be replaced anyway. Fine, everything is working so far. What a nice little sound machine. I'm still searching myself for such an item, a leftover from a warehouse. So if you find something or if you hear something, please let me know. I'm eager to buy it. I'm going to scan the user manual since it has a better quality as my user manual has, and I will upload this to the website during the next weeks. Unfortunately, the warranty paper and other documents are missing. The sound machine itself will get a complete recap, a fresh thermal conductive paste, and a service of the tape mechanism with a new belt and a new gear. And my special thanks go out to Frank from Germany, who's the owner of this device and made this video possible. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!